All right, good morning, good afternoon, hello to all of you. Today we're going to talk about powers of 10. This is 5th grade skill 5 NBT 2 and 5 NBT 7. 10 to a power or exponent is called a power of 10. It is equal to the product of that many tens. So let's look at a power of 10. This is a power of 10. The 10 is the base, and the 2 is our exponent. And the base and the exponent together makes up a power of 10. To multiply a whole number by a power of 10, add the same number of zeros to the end of the number as the power of 10. In this case, we have 70 as a whole number. So we'll take 70, and then we're going to add the same number of zeros to the end of the number as the power of 10. We have our exponent of 3, so we're going to add 3 more zeros. And we're going to put the comma where it belongs. So the answer to this question would be 70,000. To multiply a decimal by a power of 10, move the decimal point to the same number of spaces to the right as the power of 10. So in this case, we have 4 and 4/10. So if I want to move it to the right, which is this direction, I'm going to move my decimal 3 times. So let's move it 1, 2, 3 times. And we're going to stop it there. And we're going to fill in the spaces that are blank with zeros. So 4 and 4/10 times 10 to the third power would equal to 4,400. To divide a decimal by a power of 10, move the decimal point to the same number of spaces to the left as the power of 10. So in this case, we have 3 and 38 hundredths. And we're going to move the decimal place, or the decimal point, 1 space to the left. So if we take our decimal point and move it 1 place to the left, that would give us 0.338, or 338 thousandths. Now it's your turn. Let's practice. What is 78 times 10 to the second power? Remember, you should take the number and add the number of zeros to the end of that number based on your power of 10. Are you ready? Great. So we have 78, and we have an exponent that is 2. So we're going to put 2 zeros at the end of 78, which will give us the answer of 7,800. If you got 7,800, congratulations, you are correct. Let's do another one. What is 3 and 631 thousandths times 10 to the fourth power? Remember, when multiplying decimals, move the decimal to the same number of places to the right as your exponent. Do you have it? Great, let's work it. So we have 3 and 631 thousandths. And we want to move our decimal 4 places to the right. So let's move it. 1, 2, 3, 4. And we'll stop there. So if we rewrite our number, we should have 3, 6, 3, 1, and a 0 because we put a 0 in the place where there is a blank. So if I wrote this number, I put my comma where it belongs, I should have 36,310. Did you get that? Awesome. Let's keep going. Okay, let's do one more question. What is 637 and 8/10 divided by 10 to the third power? Remember, if you're dividing a decimal by a power of 10, you move the decimal however many places to the left as described by your exponent. Do you have it? Great. Let's work it out. 637 and 8/10. And I'm going to move my decimal point 3 places to the left. So let's move it. 1, 2, 3. And remember, wherever there's a blank, you want to put a 0. So in this case, we're going to put 0 in our decimal point. 6, 3, 7, 8. If you got that, you are exactly correct. I hope you've enjoyed the video for today. I want you to go practice. Practice makes perfect. See you guys later.